How to sell to China on WeChat, the super app used by 1.2 billion Chinese consumers. Introducing our cross-border e-commerce SaaS platform, ChinaWeSales, that can help you set up WeChat e-commerce mini app store with easy steps. With ChinaWeSales, you can create an outstanding Chinese-friendly storefront for your brand by easy drag and drop. Lift your minds off the top 3 cross-border e-commerce headaches. Compliance with overseas e-commerce rules and regulation. Bonded zone integration and custom clearing system. Cross-border payment solution financial system. Sell more by leveraging full set of China marketing tools and private traffic management tool. ChinaWeSales has powerful built-in CRM tools, reseller and affiliate management system to incentivize sales. Together with OctoPlus Media's one-stop China and WeChat marketing solution, you can connect with Chinese consumers with highest ROI and best efficiency. Check out our case studies helping renowned cross-border e-commerce brands succeed in China. Contact us at OctoPlus Media and grow your business with WeSales.